This is the famous chicken over rice from the Halal trucks or the Halal Guy. We will prepare on this video the chicken, the rice and the famous white sauce. Stay tuned with the ingredients and the recipe. Welcome everybody. Today's recipe will be the famous chicken over rice recipe, the one from the Halal trucks or the Halal Guys. It's very easy, simple and nutritious. We will need, I used here some chicken tenders. You can use any other pieces of chicken, boneless chicken. I have some cayenne pepper or chili powder or some smoked paprika. If you don't have it smoked, you can use the regular paprika, black pepper and some good quality curry powder, salt and garlic. I cut my chicken tenders into small pieces. I will add 2 tablespoons, big spoons of sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can use Greek yogurt. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And some cayenne pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And 1 teaspoon of coriander. If you don't have it, you can use some black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Try to use a good quality one. Now we will mix everything, all the ingredients, until the chicken is coated with all the spices and sour cream. It's good if you can marinate it overnight or a few hours before that you use it. Also, you can mix everything like that and put it in a zip bag and put it in the leave it in the freezer. Whenever you need it, take it out of the freezer. I add there 1 chili pepper, that's optional. See, I cover it with the plastic and leave it marinate for a few hours. Now I will prepare the rice that will go with the chicken. You see, I'm adding some olive oil here, butter, and 1 cup of basmati rice. The extra long grain basmati rice. Actually, I add a cup and a half here. But always when you use basmati rice, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Always, the double of water. I'm using here some salt and garlic powder, little bit of black pepper, and some curry powder. That's how we'll mix it really good. Leave it on low heat for a few minutes. Then we will add the hot water. I will add here 3 cups of hot water because I have 1.5 cup of basmati rice. I will leave the rice until boil. I cover it, then I cook it in low heat until it absorbs all the liquid. Now we take our pan or non-stick pot. I will put some oil. You like vegetable oil or olive oil. I'm adding my marinated chicken. Then I will cook it in a medium heat until it's all fully cooked and brown. Keep stirring it until it's done from all sides. Now we uncover the rice. When you see this kind of holes like that and it absorbs all the liquid, that means it's done. You see it's so flaky, it's not sticking, the grains are separated, they are not sticking to each other. That's the right texture for basmati rice. It's fully cooked and ready. The chicken is ready now. It has the right color, brown, and the right texture. It's ready to serve with the rice and the salad aside. Now we have the rice ready, the chicken ready, and the last step is the famous white sauce that you put it on the top of the chicken and rice. Okay, now we will prepare the famous white sauce that accompany all the chicken over rice platters, the halal chicken over rice platters, and also in the Halal Guys restaurants. We will need 1 cup of mayo and half cup of Greek yogurt, a half tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Don't do my mistake and measure it on top. A half teaspoon of dried parsley, or if you like it, you can do 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. And a squeeze of lemon. Okay, now we mix everything. Exactly the same sauce, white sauce that you see outside in the halal trucks or Halal Guys for the chicken over rice or fish over rice sauce. Now we pour it in a container like that. It'll be easy for us to dress our platters. Something like that. And you can use it for your chicken over rice and fish over rice and any dish you like to. Now we need a platter or a big bowl where we can, serve the chicken over rice individually. I put some salad here aside. You can add some cucumbers or tomatoes with the lettuce if you like to. The rice aside. See, it's so flaky and all the grains are separated. It's not the rice, not sticking together. And you see in the back there is the sriracha sauce or the hot sauce that you will need, and the white sauce. Okay, now we'll add the chicken on top of the rice. This recipe very simple. It's some salad aside, rice, and the chicken. Then you dress it with the sriracha sauce and the white sauce. Same spices, the same way you can use it to make fish over rice. You do the same way for the fish. Now we take the white sauce. This is how we dressed our platter. Then the sriracha sauce or hot sauce. Now our platter is ready. It's very simple, homemade, and nutritious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Enjoy!